Alright, so since we got the engine pulled out, I'm going to go ahead and look at the inside of the truck, try and get that all cleaned up. Alex is busy working on a pop-top van conversion right now. So he won't have time to rebuild the engine for a little while, plus we got to wait on parts and all that. So in the meantime, what I can do is I can clean out the inside, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and take care of. See what kind of goodies lie in store for us in here. Going to just kind of film the whole thing and go through it, taking it apart. So here goes. This truck has been sitting for the last 15 years or so. It's like maybe some squirrels got in here. Floor is pretty rusted. Glad I got the carpet out when I did. Definitely a little on the rusty side. No. Got a hole. The biggest hole is in the good floor. Isn't that sick how that worked out? As I possibly could. Gonna go ahead and spray it with a little bit like a rubberized coating, like over the wheel wells. Just cover up the metal spots. I'm not gonna POR 15 the rust on the top just because it's fine. It's not, I've sanded it down and it's all good. Gonna go ahead and take care of this and then just POR 15 the bottom because it doesn't look like it's rusting from the top. It's definitely rusting from the bottom. Gotta go back to school. Just gonna try and get this taken care of as much as I can till I have to go back and then come take care of the whole thing another time. It's not perfect, but keep in mind that carpet's still going to go over top of it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I didn't touch this floor at all because I'm most likely just going to go ahead and just cut that whole piece out and just put in a new floor. Sweet.